Where you at, kinfolk? Quick question. Can you really call it a copycat recipe if it's better than the original? Today we're taking Wingstop Louisiana rub wings to the next level. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need chicken wings, unsalted butter, brown sugar, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, cumin, oregano, thyme, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika. Alright, let's start by seasoning the chicken wings with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika. Now that the wings are seasoned, heat your oil at 325 degrees. To get them extra crispy, we're using the double fry method. For the first fry, drop the wings in for 7 to 8 minutes. And while the wings are frying, let's make the dry rub. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Mix it all together, then set it aside. After the first fry, remove the wings and bring the temperature of your oil up to 375 degrees. Then drop the wings back in and fry for another 3 to 4 minutes until golden and crispy. Once the wings are done, transfer them to a bowl, add about 1/4 cup of melted butter, and give them a toss until they're evenly coated. Now add the dry rub and give it one final toss. And there you have it, Wingstop Louisiana rub wings. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.